we have the new topic after the empirical formula and molecular formula. The topic is the stoichiometry of chemical reaction. Clear? That means today we discuss about the stoichiometry and the problem based on this stoichiometry calculation. So first of all, understand the stoichiometry. Stoichiometry, first of all, see a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, we know that there is a reactant to produce product. A reactant to produce product. In stoichiometry, is shows that it is the quantitative relation in between this reactant and the product. यानी कि आप इस रिएक्टेंट का प्रोडक्ट के साथ जो रिलेशन दिखा रहे हैं ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव इट्स कॉल्ड स्टोइकियोमेट्री. Clear? That means you can say simply the relationship in between या relation या you can say the quantitative relation in between the reactant and the product is called the stoichiometry. Clear? How? Now consider a reaction N2 gas is react with H2 gas to form ammonia. First of all, for this stoichiometry, we have to balance this chemical equation. There is 3, there is 2, 1, and there is 2, and here is 3. That means the N2 plus thrice H2 gives you 2 of NH3. Okay, this is your chemical reaction. How we pronounce or how we call this reaction? We can say the 1 molecules of nitrogen. 1 molecule of nitrogen because there is 1 in front of nitrogen. So 1 molecule of nitrogen is reacting together. Yeah, you can say this combining together 3 molecules of hydrogen to gives you 2 molecules of ammonia. This is your stoichiometry reaction. What the reaction? The 1 mole of nitrogen combined with 3 moles of, you can say now, right now, 3 molecules of hydrogen gives you 2 molecules of ammonia. Okay? Suppose you multiply with Na. हम पूरी रिएक्शन को क्या करते हैं? Na से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. What is the Na? Na means the Avogadro number. Clear? So what will reaction become? 1 into 6.022 10 to power 23. Same manner. 3 into 6.022 10 to power 23. And here also 2 into 6.022 10 to power 23. Yeah. All the things are same. The 1 molecules, now it is becoming molecules. You say this type of atoms are present, yeah, this type of molecules are present in N2. So 1 Na, 3 Na or gives you 2 Na. Same manner, now we can see this reaction on the behalf of its molar mass. कि कितना मोलर मास कंबाइन होके कितना मास दे रहा है. ठीक है. और स्टोइकियोमेट्री था कि स्टोइकियोमेट्री में सिंपल कहा था, इट्स ए क्वांटिटेटिव रिलेशन इन बिटवीन द रिएक्टेंट एंड द प्रोडक्ट. इस रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट के बीच में जो क्वांटिटेटिव रिलेशन आप दिखा रहे हैं, दिस क्वांटिटेटिव रिलेशन आप जो दिखा रहे हैं, इसे कहते हैं स्टोइकियोमेट्री. क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना आपको? वी हैव टू ए केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन इज इन फॉर्म ऑफ बैलेंस केमिकल फॉर्म. यानी कि आपको रिएक्शन फर्स्ट क्या करनी है? बैलेंस करनी है. दैट्स व्हाई यू नो दिस स्टोइकियोमेट्री कोएफिशिएंट. क्लियर? नाउ हियर आल्सो वी कैन see our reaction on the behalf of molar mass. Now here is N2, that means N2 you have 1 nitrogen 14, 2 is you have 18 gram, and here you have also 2 into 3, the 6 gram, and here you have the 14 plus 3, 17 into 2, the 34 gram. 34. So you can see that the 28 grams of nitrogen combined with 3 grams of hydrogen to gives you 34 grams of ammonia. It is clear on the behalf of molecules, on the behalf of molar mass. And here you can say also, in this form, you can say that 1 mole of nitrogen is combined with 3 mole of hydrogen to give you 2 mole of ammonia. That means these are the way to consider, yet to see our reaction. In the first, I told you 1 molecules of nitrogen, because here is only 1 molecules. 1 molecule of nitrogen is combining with 3 molecules of hydrogen to giving you 2 molecules of ammonia. After that, we multiply our these coefficient by Avogadro number in this manner. So now we can say here 1 mole of nitrogen is combining with 3 moles of hydrogen to giving you 2 moles of ammonia. And again, we can see our reaction in the help of molar mass. So that means 28 gram of nitrogen is combining with 6 gram of hydrogen to giving you 2 gram of ammonia. So this is your stoichiometry coefficient. Yeah, you can say this is the only interpretation. Clear? This is only interpretation. Clear? So this is called the stoichiometry of a chemical reaction. But the important part of this section is the calculation of stoichiometry. Clear? The most important thing, the last time we discussed about the mole mass conversion, mole volume conversion. Same manner, here we have the stoichiometry calculation. This part is very important. Clear? This stoichiometry calculation. Stoichiometry calculation, we have the first calculation is based on mole to mole relation. So what is the mole to mole relation? Mole to mole relation, that means I told you earlier, you have the reactant and the product. So in this cases, the one reactant या product moles you have, and you are going to calculate the moles of another reactant or product. यानी कि किसी एक के मोल्स आपको दिए होंगे, आपको किसी दूसरे के मोल्स निकालने हैं as a reactant of the product. It is clear? So this is called mole to mole relationship. So what we do, first of all, we see our chemical reaction, and second things, the main part of this calculation, that means this called the balance equation. Balance equation. That means you have to balance your chemical equation. Clear? Second, first and the second. So the first question you have here based on mole to mole relation. The question is how many moles of nitrogen are needed to produce 8.2 moles of ammonia by reaction with hydrogen. वो आपसे कह रहा है कि कितने मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन आपको लगेगा, नीड होगा टू प्रोड्यूस 8.2 मोल्स ऑफ अमोनिया बाय रिएक्शन विद हाइड्रोजन. आपको प्रोड्यूस क्या करना है, 8.2 मोल्स अमोनिया प्रोड्यूस करना है, और ये पता करना है कि हाउ मेनी मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन आर नीडेड, कितना जरूरत लगेगा आपको. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना है, टू राइट द रिएक्शन स्केलेटन, जो रिएक्शन एक्चुअल होती है हमारे पास. क्लियर? सो आप क्या बना रहे हैं, अमोनिया. सो व्हाट द रिएक्शन इज दिस इन दिस मैनर, N2 gas plus H2 gas is giving you ammonia. Clear? The first part of this calculation to write the chemical reaction. Second things, to balance it, to see the number of coefficient. So here 2, here is 1, so putting 2. Now it is 6, it is 2 only, so I'm putting 3. So reaction is that N2 3s2 2s2. So you can say that 2 moles of ammonia is produced by 1 mole of nitrogen. यानी कि आपको जो जनरल रिएक्शन आपका है उसमें 2 मोल्स अमोनिया प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कितना मोल्स नाइट्रोजन लग रहा है, इतना मोल्स नाइट्रोजन लग रहा है. सो इतना मोल्स नाइट्रोजन प्रोड्यूस करने का कितना लगेगा आपको, N2 3s2 2ns3. So you can say that 2 moles of ammonia is produced by 1 mole of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen, clear? So to produce 8.2 mole of ammonia is equal to 8.2 upon 2 moles of N2. Clear? That means you have the 4.1 moles of N2. दैट मीन आपको 2 मोल्स अमोनिया प्रोड्यूस करना है, तो कितना मोल्स नाइट्रोजन लिया आपने, ओनली 1 मोल्स. सो अब कितना प्रोड्यूस करना है, अब आपको 8.2 मोल्स अमोनिया प्रोड्यूस करना है. सो यू हैव टू नीडेड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन 8.2 by 2 moles of nitrogen, so it will comes approximately 4.1 moles of nitrogen. Clear? This is your first question. Second part, second calculation is based the topic mass to mass or mole to mass or relation या conversion. Clear? So mass to mass, that means एक का मास दिया होगा, एक का मास निकालना आपको, एक का मास दिया तो एक का मोल्स निकालना आपको. तो is the relation in between the reactant or the product. So here the first question is based on this topic. Question is calculate the amount of water. Calculate the amount of water in grams produced by combustion of 16 gram of methane. Clear? यानी कि 16 ग्राम ऑफ मिथेन से कितना अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर प्रोड्यूस होगा वो कैलकुलेट करना है आपको ग्राम्स के अंदर. क्लियर? और द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन दिस कैलकुलेशन इन दिस क्वेश्चन टू go accordingly these units. Clear? That means don't disturb these units and give the proper units with your answer. So first काम क्या करते थे हम लोग, to write the chemical reaction. That means here we have the reaction is of combustion of methane. So combustion of methane, that means you have methane CH4 gases form होगा plus combust कर रहा, that means in the presence of atmospheric air. So you have the O2 gas also. So it will produce the combustion of methane is produced. The first is the CO2, that means the carbon dioxide gas, and second produce the H2O, it is liquid in form. Clear? This is a reaction. So second part, to balance this chemical equation, here is the 1C, 1, so 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4. Now this chemical equation is balanced. 1 carbon is here. Second, 4 hydrogen, 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen you have. Again, 2 into 2, 4O you have. And here is 2O, and the 2O, the 4O is here. So this is your equation. So see clearly, here is no coefficient, so you can say 1 moles of methane, and here 2 moles of oxygen. हमें इनकी बातें नहीं करनी, बिकॉज इनका कोई हमारे पास रिलेशन भी नहीं है इन अवर क्वेश्चन, और कुछ काम भी नहीं हमें. सो इफ यू वांट देन यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट, अदरवाइज यू हैव द 1 मोल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड हियर इज 2 मोल ऑफ वाटर. 2 मोल ऑफ वाटर, दैट मीन 1 मोल मिथेन कंबस्ट होके कितना दे रहा है आपको, 2 मोल ऑफ वाटर दे रहा है. कितना? 2 मोल ऑफ वाटर दे रहा है. बट क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा गया है अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन ग्राम्स. क्लियर? सो वी कैन से दैट CH4 निकाल लेते हैं, मास 12 plus 4 16. So you can say 16 gram of methane is combust to give, leave it here is 2, H2O 18 into 2, 36. Clear? This is the actual thing. So निकालना क्या है, कितना ग्राम वाटर मिलेगा. So कर लो 16 ग्राम निकालना है, कितना मिलेगा. ठीक है, कितना कंबाइन हो रहा है मीथेन, 16 ग्राम ओनली. सो 16 ग्राम कंबाइन होकर कितना दे रहा था आपको, 36 ग्राम. सो हियर ऑल्सो ऑन कंबस्टन 16 ग्राम मीथेन टू गिव यू 36 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. सो दिस योर आंसर. क्लियर? क्या हो गया, 16 ग्राम मीथेन कंबस्ट होके क्या दे रहा है आपको, 36 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. क्वेश्चन based on the same topic. Here is the mole to mass relation. The first is mass to mass, second mole to mass. So here the question is, how many moles of methane are required to produce 22 gram of CO2 gas after combustion? कितना moles of methane use हो रहा है, required होगा to produce 22 gram of carbon dioxide gas. Clear? So क्या करना है, first of all reaction देनी है आपको. So reaction the same. The CH4 gas plus O2 gas क्या देता था आपको, CO2 गैस प्लस H2 देगा लिक्विड फॉर्म में. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट बैलेंस दिस. सो बैलेंस हमको पता है 2 and the 2 from the previous question. Clear? So what's the prediction here? The 1 mole of methane is combined to giving you only 1 mole of कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. क्लियर? सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस कितना होगा, 22 ग्राम है आपका. तो फर्स्ट कितना दिया होगा उसने, 44 ग्राम. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स द मोलर मास ऑफ CO2. 12 प्लस 32, 44 ग्राम. बट दिस इज द एक्चुअल, दिस इज द रियल इक्वेशन यू हैव. बट क्वेश्चन ने क्या टीच कर दिया, क्वेश्चन ने कहा are required to produce 22 gram of CO2 after burning. 22 का मीन्स होगा, आपने इसको क्या कर दिया, हाफ कर दिया. Obviously you are doing the half of this 44. So you have the 22 gram of carbon dioxide. So you have to know how many moles of methane is required. How many moles of methane is required to produce 22 gram of CO2. Clear? यानी कितना मोल्स ऑफ मीथेन लगेगा, कितना प्रोड्यूस करने में, 22 ग्राम ऑफ CO2 प्रोड्यूस करने में. क्लियर? सो सेम है ना, हियर यू हैव द CO2, सो यू कैन से दैट 44 ग्राम ऑफ CO2 आर रिक्वायर्ड 1 मोल ऑफ मीथेन, 1 मोल ऑफ मीथेन, ये तो होगा. So that 22 gram of CO2 are required. I'm doing the calculation here. Are required here 22 into 1 upon 44 moles. 22 into 1 upon 44 moles. Clear? So it's come to 1.2 moles. Yeah, you can say it becomes 0.5 moles. It's your answer. क्या था, 44 ग्राम ऑफ CO2 रिक्वायर्ड कर रहा था, 1 मोल ऑफ CH4. सो 22 कितना रिक्वायर्ड करेगा, 22 इंटू 1/44. सो इट विल कम्स 0.5 मोल.